Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. How many calories should you eat to gain weight? Today let us follow a few rules that will help you to gain weight, and let us prepare a high calorie smoothie that is a good addition in your weight. Let us start. The amount of calorie intake differs from person to person. Thus, if you take more calories than the body is burning, it may result in weight gain and muscle building. There is no general rule for the correct amount of calorie intake, but slowly you will gain weight if you are consuming 300 to 500 calories per day above your requirement. If you want quick weight gain, you need to take 1000 calories in a day in addition to the normal requirement for 2 to 3 weeks. Intake of higher amount of carbohydrates may quickly increase your weight, but there is a risk of developing diabetes. Now let us follow few rules that will safely help you to gain weight. Firstly, eating more than 3 meals in a day and snacking in between the meals helps increase the calories in your diet. Also, weight training and regular exercise helps to gain muscles, thus you need to intake more calories to refuel your body. Add protein-rich foods like eggs, meat, fish and legumes that would increase muscle mass and body weight. Also, include fiber-rich foods and healthy fats in your meals that may result in weight gain and nutrients in the diet. And lastly, consuming smoothies and shakes also helps you keep full and helps quick weight gain. Now let us prepare a high-calorie smoothie for weight gain. Please note down the ingredients. You need natural peanut butter 2 tablespoons, bananas 2 sliced, Greek yogurt half cup, sunflower seeds 1 tablespoon, almonds 5 soaked in water, dates 3, seeds removed, and coconut milk 1 cup. Note down the method. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend well. Pour it into a glass and serve. Furthermore, follow the advice of a professional dietitian to help plan your diet and the number of calories that are suitable to you to include in your meals every day so that you may gain weight safely. Thank you.